Well, everybody, I finally got a free moment and we're gonna be back working on the Audi, so check it out. We're about to do all of this stuff up front and then we're gonna move on to the new rear diffuser. I know, I've done it a couple of times. I finally think that I've settled on an idea. It's been a minute, we've been working on a ton of projects, so check out what we're about to do right now, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll be back with more videos, as I said, releasing weekly, and we're gonna get this car finished up. I'm going to take these pieces off gently so I can set them off to the side here. What I'm going to do now is use this as a template to build a piece that goes right here on the bumper. Alright, I want to put a radius edge on that front lip that we're building, and I want to test it out. This is a scrap piece. I put a roundover bit in here, 3/8 inch roundover, to cut that radius. So I'm going to test this out on here, see what it looks like. If I like how it looks, then we'll transfer this, or we'll do it to the other piece. A little bit deeper. I think that's it. That'll work. All right. I just want to clamp this somewhere. See where we can get it. Right here, probably good. So I only need to do this outside edge. All right, that's got a super nice edge now. You see it's nice and rounded over. Looks a lot like the piece that's already down there, which is what we wanted. I made that piece the same way, so that's a really good looking piece. Alright, I'm going to do exactly what you've seen me do before. I'm going to glue this panel on. So, just going to use hot glue. You can see this thing fits excellent. So, I'm going to glue this edge, I'm going to glue this edge. All right, well, there it is. It's the final design for the front end. I'm loving how this looks now. We did more or less like an integrated front lip here, so that's just going to be part of the bumper. I'm not going to do another piece underneath that like we had before, because this is driving height. It's actually a little above driving height, but that'll give me plenty of clearance to actually drive this thing. It was a little bit too low before. I was snagging on everything, so I didn't want to have to drive with it super high in order to you know, be able to drive it around. So we just got rid of that lower piece. Didn't really need it anyway. This thing's plenty wide. These are going to be a brake cooling duct, and then these will just be mesh. And then we got the little air deflectors there, and I think that's it. After taking everybody's comments and suggestions into consideration, I don't think I'm going to do the louvers, because I actually like how smooth it looks. I got a tiny bit of body work still to do on this side, and then we're going to go take this into the booth. We're going to get the front end in primer, get that other side in primer, and then I've got the spoiler mount I'm going to work on next. So we've got the rear bumper. As you guys know, I changed it out for a factory one, and I'm going to come back through and just do a diffuser in the center, and I may do some little deflectors here, but I haven't decided yet. But I will be doing the spoiler mount next. I have the spoiler mount here. It's all machined and ready to go, so I've just got to get the spoiler fitted up to it, which will take a little bit of modification because it was originally an under mount and it's going to be a top mount now. So I got to do a little bit of work to get it there, but that's where we're at. Let me know your comments. Do you like how it's turned out? Think that front end's better than it was before? Let me know down below. All right, so that's the height all the way down. Like I said, we do have a little bit of a front gap here now. It's about the same as the side skirts. It's actually a little bit higher, but I think that'll be all right. We can always add something later if we want to, but this is kind of what we've settled on here so far. So this is what we're sticking with, and we're gonna get this thing finished up, but I just wanted to kind of lower it down and kind of give you guys a view of what it looks like when it's all the way down.